EcoNour Sunshade. Okay, first it comes with its own little pouch that you can use for storing. If you've ever owned one of those accordion fold-up sunshades, you're going to love this because this will fit between your console and your seat. It'll fit under your seat, the map pocket of your door, or even in some glove compartments. It is portable. It's available in 4 custom sizes. So it'll fit small cars, mid-sized cars, SUVs, vans, trucks, and just about everything in between. One of the first things to go in your vehicle is the interior. If you don't take care of your dash, it's going to crack and deteriorate, and the sun will cook the sun visor so bad the material will even disintegrate. But even worse, the extreme heat can damage some of the components in your dash. You know, now I don't have to worry about burning my hands on the steering wheel or my elbows and arms on the console, or even that little metal part of the seatbelt connector. That gets really hot. And the other thing is my car cools off really fast once we're on the road. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Now, as you can see, it comes with a little pouch, and all you need to do is take the strap off, and then boom, it pops open. You have a shiny side and a black side. The shiny side will reflect the heat, while the black side will kind of absorb some of the sun's rays, which could actually warm up your car a little bit in the winter months. And it has 2 bands, and what they do is they allow you a snug fit in your windshield of your car, and the additional fabric right here allows you to work around your rear view mirror and the corners of your windshield so that you can keep all the sun out. All you got to do is put it in, then you pull the sun visors down, and you're good to go. And folding it up as a snap, all you do is pop it like this, put the strap back on, and you pop it back in the bag, and you're good to go.